Welcome. You can make so much money. Okay, these are some dual proof. Okay, paper, RTC, paper. Okay, and this is available for all country. You can make so much money every day just by working on this platform. Okay, these are some withdrawal proof. Okay, so stay today and while I show you step by step on how to make money on this website. Okay, so if this is any time my channel, welcome to Online Money Also. I post content on how to make money online. Okay, if this is your first time, you can see I have a lot of videos on how to make money online. Okay, I even did a video on how to make your first $100 online with proof. Okay, and I noticed you guys are not really viewing it. So if this is your first time, kindly go and please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to all so you can notified anytime I upload a video. I usually upload video every three days. Okay, so I have a lot of videos. Okay, so go there. So without wasting much of your time, come back to this website called picoworkers.com. Okay, picoworkers.com. Okay, so when you come out to picoworkers.com, you just have to click on the freelance and earn. Okay, then click on sign up. Okay, so I'll drop my affiliate link for this picoworker. You can use to register. So if also I want to earn little commission from the earning you make. Okay, this just like show like appreciation for me doing a tutorial video for you guys on how this works. Okay, so enter your real name, email, password, okay, nickname, select your country, you must choose your selected country. Okay, if you notice you start changing country, it will spoil your account and you're able to withdraw. Okay, so when you register, when you log in, you have a dashboard like this. Okay, you see switch to employer. Okay, currently I'm in like a worker part where I'm using jobs. You see your earning, you see your pending. Okay, so you see micro jobs, you see paid service, and you see offers. Okay, so let's start with the micro jobs. Okay, so you can see you will see a lot of jobs. All these jobs are showing featured are the like top ranking jobs, and you can see example Instagram. You should watch. I think you should watch and engage. So if I click on it, let me show you to see. It accepts all country, but it doesn't want to accept Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Vietnam. Okay, so when you scroll down, you see what the person should do. Say open this link, open the website, open the website in bio by clicking on it. Visit any two posts slowly for 2 minutes. Scroll, read the entire post. After 2 minutes, go back to the home page and visit any five posts. Visit all five posts for 2 minutes overall. Okay, don't forget to scroll. Now follow. Okay, so it gave you a guideline you should follow. Okay, so you just have to read the guideline, and I think when you do this tax, you earn 4 cents. Okay, not much. Okay, so I might not tell you to waste your time with doing all this little offer, so you can just come here and filter. Okay, okay, wait, where is the filter? Let's do this. Okay, no, also like filter like with a good payment. You can just filter like you want to see any from $0.1. Okay, so when you apply to show you jobs around that age, see this one now. You should download the app and sign up. You earn $0.2. Okay, that's just this. Okay, yeah, offer get premium article. There will be something you should do, but I think you have to complete a survey. Yeah, I think yes, you have to complete the survey. Yeah, you have to install an app and sign up. And you can see as they are playing big amounts, and there's no limit of the work you can do a day. You can do many accounts. You can create a Instagram account that won't take you up to 10 minutes and you earn 14 cents. Okay, so there are many stuff you can do over here. Okay, and if you click on that, you see that it's different for you to do. You can leave there and do another job. You can see there are tons of offers you can do, like jobs you can do. And when you do, let me just show you an example here now. Okay, so here say create an Instagram account. So you have to scroll down. Create an Instagram account. They give you list of instructions. Sometimes it might not be like an easy thing to do. But when you are done, you have to scroll down. Then they'll ask you to submit some proof. Submit your token received by okay. So you just have to come here and insert your proof. Sometimes the proof might be in image format. So they ask you for image to show value to like select image, okay, something like that. Okay, it's very easy. Then you click on submit proof, then the employer, like the person that gave you the job will review your proof, okay. Something just very easy like that. So the another way you can earn on this platform is paid service. When you go back to the paid service, okay, you able to see different kind of surveys, bit labs, CPS research, your service, Profish, okay. Let me tap on this CPX research, okay. So these are surveys now. 5 minute survey, you earn 64 cents. 23 minute survey, you earn 54 cents. You can see there are not much survey here. I think only 6 for this survey. I think here there's 10 and the rest there's no currently survey for them. Here I think you have to answer some like question so they can give you survey that's available for your profile, okay. And if you come over here, okay, for offers, I think these are just I don't know much about this. Just select an offer and complete, but this sometimes is very difficult, okay. This one now, I don't know what they should do. I don't know what they should do here. I think someone might be take survey, download an app, write a review, but the amount they are paying is actually small. But cumulatively, if you join everything together, you're actually making cool amount of money. Okay, so once you have done a job, I have submitted your proof, you be your the earning for the job will be in the pending section here. Okay, so all the money you have earned, if the employer approve your job, to go back to end here. Okay, so then you can come back to your wallet and enter English to request for withdrawal usually take 10 business days. Okay, and if I tap on request withdrawal, the minimum withdrawal is $5. I can withdraw through ATM. I think it's for India and Pakistan. You can withdraw through Skrill, Litecoin, PayPal, and Upwork. Okay, and it's very easy. You get your payment within 10 business days. Okay, I know it's taking longer, but it's still worth it. And they just introduce a section called gigs. Okay, just like um Fiverr. Okay, I think you can also post your gig. Okay, but okay, this area is only for advanced level. You have to verify your ID. Okay, so you can also freelance over here. But I think they just newly created this, so there are not a lot of people taking out job here. You can see all of this. You have zero review. So the thing that you can be monitoring down, okay, and check. So that's actually all for this Picoworker. This is how everything works, okay. So I'll urge you to come over and register. Okay, click the link in the description video to register today. I think when you register, you earn some sign up bonus. Okay, yes, you earn 20 cents. You use my link. Okay, so when you sign up, you can start making cool cash, something like this. Okay, making money like this. Okay, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn notification bell, and please comment down the country you're watching this video from so I can keep posting content available in your country. Goodbye. Do have